So what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Renee, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy collection. So let me go grab all my squishies. Hold on just a minute. Olaf will keep you company. I guess he won't. Olaf, stop being rude. How rude. He doesn't love me now. So, guys, I don't know how many squishies I have, so I'm about to count these already so I don't waste your time saying all the squishies and... Okay, so I have 14 squishies. So, the first one I'm going to show you, move all off. So, the first one I'm going to show you guys is my panda bear. I call him Mr. Panda. He's very cute and squishy. No, he's a squishy. So, I got him from Wish. I got all of my squishies from Wish, actually. They come in a, I don't know how many pack. I think 30. But they only give me 14, apparently. So, we got this squishy. The back is like, it's kind of breaking apart, but don't care. And this is Mr. Omelet. He doesn't have a face. So, he's very cute and stuff. I love him. And this is Mr. Krabs. I watch SpongeBob, guys. Don't judge. Don't judge. So, he's very soft. And then I have Dunkin' Donut. Dunkin' the Donut. And he doesn't have a face, but he's a boy. I know, guys, most of them so far is boys, but this one is girl. This is Mr. Bluey. She's very pretty. La, 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 la. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. You know where I'm at. You know where I be. She was talking to y'all. So that's her back. And this is Mr. Rude. How rude. No, 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 no. I can twerk, y'all. Twerk, 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 twerk. Hey! You killed that, Mr. Blue. And this is Mrs. Pinkie Pie. She's very cute. Pinkie the omelet. Pinkie the pie. She's very pretty. And this is my bear claw. My bear claw. Oops. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to show you guys about me. This is Mrs. Okay. Guys, I forgot. Oh, this is Mr. Yellow. Mr. Bluey. He's married to Mrs. Bluey. This is SpongeBob. See the resemblance? This is my bread. Why talking bread? Hello. Hello. And this is my omelet. Yeah. And then this is their kid, Mr. Bluey. This is their kid. So his name is Mr. Bossy. He's very bossy. I don't like that about him. He's too bossy. And then this is Fall. His name is Fall because he's a leaf. Duh. I'm a mouse. Duh. Why are you so? You know what? It's not my fault you're like in love with me or something. So that's Dinkin the donut, not Dunkin the donut. La 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 la. He's an opera singer. So that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you subscribe, and I will leave down in the comments. I mean, not in the comments. In the please no hate, guys, cause um, I just don't like hate, cause that really um. In my next video, I will tell you guys all about me and what I like to do and my interests and stuff, and on my social medias. So make sure you read the description, comment down below, subscribe, and please don't hate. This is an anti-bullying page. So I love you guys. Have a nice day.